Picture this, a realm where innovation reigns supreme and disruptors carve out their legacies. At the forefront stands Elon Musk, a visionary whose name echoes through the corridors of progress. As the daring CEO of Tesla Motors, Musk isn't just a leader, he's a trailblazer, constantly pushing the boundaries of automotive technology with his fleet of electric marvels. But his latest unveiling? It's not just a ripple, it's a tidal wave of change. Imagine the scene. The automotive world holds its breath as Musk steps onto the stage, ready to unveil his latest creation. And what a creation it is! A Tesla pickup truck, but not just any truck. This beast comes with a price tag that demands attention. A cool $88,000. But it's not about the price, it's about the message. Musk isn't just selling trucks, he's selling a vision, a future where transportation is redefined. This isn't just another vehicle launch, it's a seismic event, shaking the very foundations of the industry. Musk's audacity isn't just admirable, it's electrifying. With every unveiling, he reaffirms his commitment to revolutionizing transportation and redefining the essence of automobiles. And the anticipation. It's palpable, coursing through the veins of enthusiasts and analysts alike. In a market dominated by giants like Ford, Chevrolet, and Ram, Musk's entry promises a disruption like never before. With his track record of innovation, the possibilities are endless, leaving the industry on the edge of its seat, wondering what he has up his sleeve. The anticipation preceding the unveiling of Tesla's pickup truck was tangible, capturing the attention of enthusiasts and analysts alike. Within the fiercely competitive realm of pickup trucks, traditionally dominated by industry stalwarts such as Ford, Chevrolet, and Ram, Musk's entry promised a disruption long overdue. Despite the relative stagnation in this segment, Musk's reputation for disruptive innovation left many speculating on the revolutionary potential he held in store for the pickup truck market. As Musk finally took the stage to unveil the Tesla pickup truck, the collective response bordered on sheer astonishment. The vehicle's sleek, futuristic design immediately distinguished it from its more conventional counterparts. Its bold, angular contours, rugged exterior, and unmistakable Tesla insignia projected an aura of both power and refinement, marking a departure from the traditional aesthetic of pickup trucks. But perhaps the most shocking aspect of the Tesla pickup truck was its price tag. At just $88,000, Musk had undercut the competition by a significant margin. Traditional pickup trucks from manufacturers like Ford and Chevrolet often fetch prices upwards of $30,000 or more, making the Tesla offering an incredibly compelling option for budget-conscious consumers. The reaction from the rest of the car industry was swift and decisive. Competitors scrambled to assess the potential impact of Tesla's entry into the pickup truck market, with some analysts predicting that it could spell trouble for established players. Ford, Chevrolet, and Ram, in particular, found themselves facing increased pressure to innovate and adapt in the face of Tesla's disruptive presence. In response to the Tesla pickup truck's unveiling, Ford CEO Jim Farley acknowledged the significance of Musk's latest creation. Elon Musk has once again raised the bar for innovation in the automotive industry, Farley said in a statement. We are closely monitoring developments in the electric vehicle space and remain committed to delivering best-in-class products to our customers. Chevrolet, meanwhile, sought to downplay the impact of the Tesla pickup truck on its own lineup. While we respect Tesla's commitment to innovation, we believe that our traditional approach to building pickup trucks will continue to resonate with consumers, said Chevrolet spokesperson Sarah Johnson. We remain confident in the strength of our brand and the quality of our products. Ram, on the other hand, took a more proactive approach, announcing plans to accelerate its own electric vehicle development efforts in response to Tesla's latest offering. The pickup truck market is evolving rapidly, and we are committed to staying ahead of the curve, said Ram CEO Mike Koval Jr. We see electric vehicles as an important part of our future product portfolio, and we will continue to invest in technologies that enhance performance, efficiency, and sustainability. Despite the skepticism and uncertainty surrounding Tesla's entry into the pickup truck market, there is no denying the impact that Musk's latest creation has had on the industry as a whole. With its bold design, innovative features, and competitive pricing, the Tesla pickup truck has set a new standard for what a modern pickup truck can be. As consumers eagerly await the opportunity to get behind the wheel of Tesla's latest creation, the rest of the car industry finds itself at a crossroads. Will traditional manufacturers be able to keep pace with Tesla's relentless innovation, or will they be left behind in the dust? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: Elon Musk's $88,000 pickup truck has shocked the entire car industry and rewritten the rules of the game. In the wake of Tesla's groundbreaking announcement, speculation ran rampant about how other truck makers would respond to the challenge posed by the electric automaker. Companies like Ford, Chevrolet, and Ram found themselves under increased pressure to accelerate their own electric vehicle (EV) development efforts and rethink their strategies in order to remain competitive in an increasingly electrified market. Ford, a longtime leader in the pickup truck segment, has been investing heavily in electric vehicles in recent years. The company's Mustang Mach SUV marked its first foray into the electric market, and Ford has since announced plans to release an all-electric version of its popular F-150 pickup truck. With the Tesla pickup truck looming on the horizon, Ford accelerated its efforts to bring its electric truck to market, aiming to capitalize on growing consumer interest in electrified vehicles. Chevrolet, for its part, has been somewhat slower to embrace electric technology, focusing instead on hybrid and plug-in hybrid offerings like the Silverado hybrid. However, the company faces increasing pressure to develop a fully electric pickup truck in order to compete with Tesla and other emerging players in the electric vehicle space. With the Tesla pickup truck threatening to disrupt the traditional pickup truck market, Chevrolet finds itself at a critical juncture as it seeks to navigate the transition to electrification. For Tesla, the announcement represented a bold step forward in its mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. With its lineup of electric vehicles already making waves in the automotive industry, the addition of a pickup truck further solidified Tesla's position as a trailblazer in the realm of electrification. By offering a compelling combination of performance, affordability, and sustainability, the Tesla pickup truck promised to appeal to a broad spectrum of consumers, from eco-conscious drivers to traditional truck enthusiasts. Ford, in particular, was keenly aware of the threat posed by Tesla's entry into the pickup truck segment. The company had long been a dominant force in the market, with its F-Series lineup consistently ranking as the best-selling vehicle in the United States. However, with Tesla now gunning for a piece of the pie, Ford knew it could ill afford to rest on its laurels. In response, the company accelerated its plans to electrify its iconic F-150 pickup truck, recognizing the need to innovate in order to maintain its competitive edge. In the midst of this uncertainty, one thing is clear: Elon Musk's $88,000 pickup truck has sent shockwaves through the entire car industry, forcing competitors to adapt or risk being left behind. Whether Tesla's bold gambit will pay off remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: the electric revolution is here to stay, and the pickup truck market will never be the same again. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, could you leave your comments below and tell us what are your thoughts on Elon Musk's revelation of the $88,000 pickup truck? We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.